Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. It's me Ayushi and I am here with another exciting video. In this video, I am going to share with you how to write answer in examination. Before starting the video, if you are new on my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon for my new video notification. And you have any query, then comment me on below. So without wasting any moment, let's start the video. This is very important topic for students. How to write answer in examination. While writing answer, we face many problems like material for writing answer, less time, speed, etc. For this, I will only suggest on 3 points. Firstly, we are talking about physical, then mental, and third and finally we talk about strategy. First, let's talk about physical. Physical, that is your writing speed. How many words you have to written in a minute. If you have written at least 100 words in 5 minutes, then yeah, you are able to write answer on time in examination. But if you write less than 100 words in 5 minutes, then you have to practice. Write at least 3 to 4 pages daily. Your writing speed will also good and your handwriting as well. The other is mental. It means whether you have the material to write the answer in your mind or not, because until you do not have the information about the answer, you cannot able to write the answer. So whatever topic or subject you study, keep as much information as well as possible. Third and finally, we are talking about strategy. So now you have ability to write and you have the material for the answer. So now you can write the answer. But two things have to keep in mind while writing. First, write the same thing what is asked in the question, and second, write the answer in points. These are some points which help you to write the answer in examination. I hope you will enjoy this video. So please like, share, subscribe my channel. We meet again in another video. Thank you for watching.